Hello students, the fifth experiment, the SSOS lab. So machine code using a triple statement, he has already given statement as well as the intermediate code of the three address form also he has given. The three address code means nothing but here the code is intermediate code. So this is used by the optimizing compiler. So later if there is a given expressions, so that expression is broken down into the several separate instructions. These instructions are easily to translate to the assembly language, nothing but the mnemonic forms. And each address code of that instructions, there is most of the operands are written in the form of the binary operators. So why it will be using binary operator? Because so after translating the assembly language, so binary operators are more easily understandable to the machine code. So the main program, the slash include std.h, here this is standard input output.h, then stdlib.h header files, the standard library files, and slash include ctype.h, nothing but here I'm using the array character. So array characters, so I'm using the ctype.h. Next one is the creating the variables, means initializing the variables. So depends upon or convenience upon your program, just you can assign the variables or initialize the variable. So I'm initializing operators argument 1 argument 2. So here I'm creating the two argument. After creating the two argument, this argument showing the results. So the argument 1 argument 2 and results, creating the array. The array size is the 5. The 5 array size is fixed here. And next, uh, here I'm created the two files. So just you can use the file star file1 star file2, fp1 and fp2 means file pointer to file inputs, nothing but it is using the triple format. So fp1 and fp2, first if I creating the file fp1 fp2, open that file. After opening the file, just you can use the input.txt. So just you can input, after creating the input.txt, so just you can copy paste the whatever given the three address form, so in the read mode. And next in the second file, so automatically the output.txt, it will be write the in the form of the mnemonic form, nothing but the assembly language. Then while here the file will be opens now. And next, fscanf fp1 percentage result argument 1 operator argument 2, here scans the first line of the file and compare the strings of operator in binary binary operators, as well as here we are using the two arguments, the argument 1 and argument 2. Here we are using two arguments, and it will be scans with the first line of that file. And next I'm using the strcmp op plus equal to 0, nothing but here I'm using the string comparison, that here it will be compare the string operator plus with the binary of two arguments, the binary two arguments. Here first I'm using the fprintf and fprintf file to move the, here I'm using the move instruction. This is already you have studied in microprocessor how exactly the move instructions will be works. So here moving the argument 1, after moving the argument 1 stored in r0, and next r0, and next I'm using the add instructions here. So adding the argument to, after adding the argument to, once again it will be stored in the r0, then later move the results to r0. After getting the argument 1 argument 2, the result will be stored in the form of the r0, same as the multiplication, division, as well as the subtraction. After So same as a multiplication, division as well as subtraction. In the multiplication, move augment 1. So move R naught augment 1. So augment will 1 is moved to the R naught. Here we are using multiplication operator of the augment 2 is moves to R naught and move the results in form the R naught. The same as a subtraction as well as the division. And next here we are using the STCMP of equal to equal to. Here I am using the equal operator. String comparison with help of the equal operator means the already executed. So it will be evaluated the operators once that is done. If it is once it will be done, so it will be evaluated the all executed operators here, and after the executed operator it will be prints the file 2 and augment 1 move the or not augment 1 means augment 1 will be moves to or not, and in second f2 the move the result to r naught. Then later I am using the f close fp1 and f close fp2. This is the I am closing the file. This is a good practice because it saves the memory management. Okay, first open the gedit and whatever you have created the file, just you can with help of the that file with help of the .c extension gedit file name .c. So this type of the screen will be open. So you can write the program. After writing the program, save it and close. After closing, you can type cc file name .c. So before typing the cc file .no, just you can create the first input file. So gedit input.text, whatever he has given the triple form, just you can copy paste that triple form, that save it and close. And one more, create the output. So gedit output.text, just you can create blank. After creating, so like that it will be display. Just you can save it and close. Then the warning is there, don't worry about warning, there is no errors. So type cc, if you want to display the input file, just you can type the command the cat input.text. So automatically whatever if you have given the input automatically display on screen in that terminal. So after displaying the terminal, just you can type the cc file name .c. After ./a.out, this is common for the all languages. So after you can type to display the output cat output dot text. So like that. So this is your output. So first in the move r0 minus b, move t1 r0, move r0 c, add r0 d, like that it will be displayed up to addition, multiplication,